శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 4th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Pridhu Maharaju was so mad at Indra because Indra kept on trying to destroy his yajnam, and Indra introduced all bad paths into the world. Because of that, Pridhu Maharaju, with so much anger on Indra, he got ready to kill Indra. Then all the Ritviks, they said, the priests in that yagam, Nivarayam Asuhu Aho Mahamate Na Yujyate Atra Asya Vadha Prachoditat. O Prabhu, O Maharaja, do not kill Indra like that. What we are going to do is, we will chant very powerful mantras and invite Indra here. Then with the strength of that powerful mantras, we will offer Indra as oblations into the fire. Not only that, O Maharaja, just by trying to destroy your yajna, Indra's effulgence already gone. Like that, when all the Ritviks said, Pridhu Maharaju agreed with that. Then Ritviks have taken Srughastan Jakhvataha Abhyetya. They have taken one instrument known as Sruk, which is used to offer oblations into the fire. After taking that Sruk, they started chanting those powerful mantras by which Indra would automatically come and be offered into fire as an oblation. Exactly when they are about to chant those mantras, Swayambhuhu Pratyashedhata, Chaturmukha Brahma appeared there. And Chaturmukha Brahma started saying to Ritviks and Pridhu Maharaju like this, Oh my dear Ritviks, Yajnam means it is an embodiment of, it is a form of Sakshat Paramatma. And whatever the oblations that you are offering into Yajnam will be taken by Devatas. That means Devatas are part of that Yajnam. That means Devatas are part of Sakshat Sriman Narayana's divine form. If you are killing Devatas, means it is nothing but you are torturing Paramatma's divine form. Like that, Chaturmukha Brahma started addressing Ritviks and Pridhu Maharaju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.